Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to set custom notification sound on Motorola H70. So if you want to set a song or any other sound as your custom notification sound, I'll show you how to do it step by step. So first up, make sure to download or record a sound you want to set as a notification in MP3. If you did, open up your settings and go down here to sound and vibration, and as you can see here, default notification sound, and here you can choose from built-in from Motorola sounds, so something like this, or you can add your custom sound. So for example, this song right here, and click this button right here, choose it from the list and click OK. So basically that's it. That's how you set a custom notification sound on your Motorola H70. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.